The first day of school is so scary because I remember one year, I arrived to my very first class and the bell rang. So the teacher started doing roll call to make sure everyone was there. And I'm panicking because I just know I'm gonna voice crack saying, "Here." But then something weird happened because he finished doing roll call without saying my name. So I thought he just accidentally skipped over mine and I raised my hand to tell him. But then he looked through his whole sheet of names and was like, there's no Tyler Vitelli in this class. So I looked at my schedule and it was in that moment that I realized I was in the wrong class. So I embarrassingly had to get up, leave the class, and find the one I was actually supposed to be in. But by the time I got there, school had already been in session for half an hour. So right when I walked in, the teacher was like, "Go to the office and get a detention slip." Damn, on the first day? Sorry, I was a little bit dyslexic.